This is how we picked the car up at auction. It's got some funny stuff written on the side, but we're about to spray paint the entire thing black today. It took about 3 days to get everything finished, about 12 hours of labor, but we finally got it dropped and ready to go. This is my brother's 2007 Hemi RT, and we gonna fix a knock on it. Alright, step one of getting this oil pan out is dropping the oil. And I'm gonna clear out these nuts right here so we could drop the steering column. There's one on this side and a nut on this side, and we're gonna do the same to the other side, and then we're gonna loosen up these motor mount bolts. There's one on each side, just so we could jack up the engine a little bit from the trans. But we're gonna start off just clearing out the oil. See if I can get some slick hands. There you go. Fuck. That's just basically brand new because we had just done all this shit, but back at it again. Alright, so we got the oil pan out. This shit was a pain in the ass because no one tells you gotta unbolt this little shit just a little bit. It's gonna hang in there right here. You can see it hits. But if you just loosen the bolt right here a little bit, it'll drop straight out. We finally got up under here. Let me show y'all what's going on. Hold up. Alright. There's the knocking rod. Had to get the oil pan off. Just jacked it up from the trans a little bit. Let's get this bearing changed out. So we ended up jacking the engine up as high as possible, but we still had to remove the sway bar. But we finally got these bearings out, and as you can see, they almost completely chewed through. These things were a mess. This is the RT finally up and live. You know, glad you guys watched the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. You know, this is just to say anybody can do it. You know, we had never touched the tool before a day in our lives. And, you know, now we just rebuilt a 5.7 Hemi. You know, so just keep at it, guys.
Needs a little work, but no fucking running.
Yeah. Just to show anyone could do it, you feel me? We didn't touch the engine before a day in our lives. We did it with a couple pieces of 4x4, a fucking $25 jack.
No extra out tools.
Yeah. From knocking to healthy. It don't take much. With 215,000 miles running healthy. And keep in mind, my brother got this for $600 at an auction. He's in it about $1,500 right now. You know, with the little work, you can have anything you want. He wanted an RT and he got it with Daytona seats.